Del Monte basketball, and now
at the mid of the court.
magdive sila idol doon. Manuel, long pasok. Rizol! Grabe yun. Oh! In San Jose Del Monte, number 24.
Dribbling the ball is stopped.
Pulagya 3. Bang! Bullseye! Goes to Team Marilao, long
Corner. Falls.
off the window. Oh, the friendly roll. And here's Team San Jose Del Monte, number 1 here.
Pinabay.
Oh, soy! What a move! Mga idol. And here you go.
Team
Marilao off the glass. Bucket for good.
Naka-covered.
Lace. And good for two connects. Mga idol, nandito tayo ngayon sa semifinals ng Intertown ng Bulacan para sa laban ng Marilao at San Jose Del Monte. It's a jump ball, mga idol. And here you go. First ball for Team Marilao. Oh, there's a whistle in the side. And here you go, Team San Jose Del Monte basketball. And now, at the mid of the court, oh, nag-dive sila idol doon. And here you go, Sabile for the inbound and now crosses the mid lane. He's slowly moving down, passes to number 34. They discarded it, drives. Oh, kicks out, launches 3. Won't go, battle for rebound here. And here you go for Team Marilao. Pass on the inside, Kumaldag spin, fade away shot, Supalpal, and the save. And goes to Team Marilao, long pass there. Corner. Oh, the friend. Maagaw dito, dire-diretso. And for the backdoor play, looking for receiver. Kicks out, takes, launches 3. Bang! First goal for Team San Jose Del Monte. And number 34 here, di discarte. Atake, tuloy-tuloy lane, basket and one! And crosses the mid lane for Team San Jose Del Monte. Crossover, stops, looking for Sipa at the middle. Drives. Mga idol, and the rebound is still. Pull up J at the mid-range. Bucket for 2. And here you go, nagmamadali ang gandang pasa, lays, no good. And recover, lays up, still won't go. And a pass break, all alone. Tinignan yung guardia, and good for 2. Ang ganda sana ng alley-oop play yun, di pumasok mga idol. And number 18 here, sa corner, fakes, stop, pass to number 18. Fade away shot, bucket for 2. And number 15 here, they discarte, one-on-one, bounce pass. Oh. And tie game tayo mga idol. And here you go, Team Marilao off the glass, bucket for 2. Number 12 here, crossover, crosses the mid lane. Sumisinyas dito for setting the play, pass inside. And we are in all 11 mga idol. And here you go, Team Marilao, number 6 here. Cross pass there at the corner 3. Too strong. And here you go, crossover, nakalusot. Alley-oop pass there inside. Yes, sir! Marilao. Di diskarte naman dito. Pass on the corner. Number 8. Corner. Attacks, fires off the glass, one go, rebound, and the putback shot, and finish the 2. And Team San Jose Del Monte up by 2 right now. Number 19 here holds the ball, passes to number 7 at the corner, launches 3. One go, rebound, still putback shot, and good for 2. Team San Jose Del Monte, number 25, dribbling the ball, stop, Pulagya 3. Bang! Push, no good. Oh, you go for the inbound, Team Marilao at number 19 here holding the ball. Pass it to the Pass back to number 19. Bounce pass at the middle. Number 6 launches 3. No good. Battle for rebound here. Nagkagawan. And here's Team San Jose Del Monte. Number 1 here. Oy! What a move! And here's number 19 on the corner here. Pass to number 19. Drives. Natapikan. Na-recover. And attacks. Kicks out. Drives. Pinabitin. Kicks out. Launches 3. Bang! Nothing but net. And here you go. Team San Jose Del Monte here. Gui Descarte. Spin. Stops. Drives. Kicks out. Number 5. Crossover move. Nakalusot. And number 5 here for the inbound for Team San Jose Del Monte. Pull up J. No good. Nag-Elbert. Lays. And good for 2 connects. And here's Team San Jose Del Monte. Stops to number 24. Stop on. Gandang pasa. Libreng-libre. The connection. Oh. Good crossover. Oh. Nagkadansas. Oh. Pasa. Pulang. Wala. And again floater. Wala pa rin. Put back shot off the glass. And here you go. De Vera. Bounce pass. Pass back. Pull up J3. No good. Rebound for Team San Jose Del Monte. Oh. And there's a 7 seconds left on the first quarter. 5 for 3. No good. Rebound. Put back shot strong. Number 11. Attacks. Pasa. Takes fire. Off the glass. Basket for 2. Number 5 here. Attacks. Binalik. Sa 3. Bang! Cross pass. Launches 3. No good. Makukuha dito ng Team San Jose Del Monte. Dire-diretso pinasa sa gilid. Pull up J. Good for 2. Crosses the mid lane. Dribbling the ball. The chest pass on the corner. Setting the play. Pass back to Sabile. Sabile now. Sabile. Pass inside. Pinapig. Fire for 3. Boom! Mato. And here's Team San Jose. Oh, pinasa. Uy, no. Uy! Long pass there. And here you go. Team Marilao at Sabile. Takes. Pass back. Pull the shot. Wala. Battle for you one dito. Makukuha ng Team San Jose Del Monte. And 1-on-1 ngayon. Dribbling the ball. Tumising niya si Idol. Pasa kay number 2. Sa 3. For the inbound here. Pass it to number 24. Pass back. Corner 3. No good. Pass break. Please. Easy 2. Medalya. Here's Team San Jose Del Monte. Number 11. Oh! Fade away! And the bucket! For 3. No good. Rebound. Side step. Further. Good sister. Di discarte. Atake. Fire. No good. Rebound. Despas there. Lays off the glass. Pasok niya. Mendoza. Hawag ang bola. Dribbling the ball. Oop. Almost lost. And fine loss. Uy. Oh. Here's Team San Jose Del Monte, number 17. Oh, nakalusot. Fires. Not good. Fire. No, strong. Fast break ngayon. Init beat, Lays. Oh, init. And here we go. Team San Jose Del Monte. Umahanap ng butas, pinasaan na agawan. Obra. Sa gitna. Pinalik. Number 10. Fakes. Drives. And here you go. Nagmamatay. Oy! 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 Natapikan. Oop! Please, back to back to. Oy! Manuel, long pass. Oop! Please, oy! Oy, oop! Grabe yun. Babangga dito si Idol. Atake, uy, hinila yung damit. Oh. Bang! 3 points! And between the legs, dribble. Fix. Pass back. Ang gandang pasahan nun. And the finish. Sagit sa tres. No good. Rebound. Baseball pass. Pull up J. No good. Rebound. Takes off. Reverse layup. And bucket and foul. And here you go. Team Marilao. Number 19. Number 13. Cross pass. Open for 3. No good. Rebound. Takes. Fire. The foul and the foul. Sa dos. Bucket for 2. Corner. Open for 3. Bang! 3 points. Number 25 dito. Pull up J at the middle range. No good. And atake dito, floater shot. Oh, pumasok yan, lucky bounce. And here you go, number 11. Corner, attacks, floater shot, no good. Battle for rebound here. Uy, uy, basag ang bungo. And attacks. Napitawan, naagawan. 1 versus 2. Number 11, corner, wide open for 3. Bang! Babawi sa 3. Bang! Pass back, Thompson dito, di diskarte. Pull up J. No good. Number 11. Open for 3. Bang! 3 points. Thompson. Pass back. Pass inside. Big hook. And here you go, Team Marilao. Fires. Good for 2. Thompson. Pass back. Corner. Attacks. Mix out. For 3. No good. Pass ulit. Short. For the inbound here. Oh, libre sa loob. And here you go, Team Marilao. And a chance for the lead. Pass one. Thompson. Natapikan. Diretso. Uy! Sa 3. Too strong. Sa 3. Bang! 3 ball! And there you go, Thompson. Pass it there. Pass back, Thompson here. Looking for receiver sa gitna, sa gilid. Drive, stakes. Oh, supalpal. And there you go, Team Marilao. Salong 3. Almost all fours. Go. Son. Long 3. No good. Rebound. Move. Crossover. Off. Corner fakes. Six out. 4-3. For the inbound. Thompson sa gilid. Launch. Bakit for 2. And sa bili, iniwan. Distance, fire, no good. Here we go. Corner. Pass inside. 6 out. Drive pick. Fire off the glass. Yes, sir. And here we go, Team Marilao. And number 34 attacks. Reverse layup. Basket is good. Thompson. Number 1. Pass back, Thompson. Pass to the middle. Cross pass. Pull up J. Basket for 2. Sabile. Pass inside. Oh, sumalbal. Hook. Uy. Ang gandang pasahin. Connect. For 2. Agawan. Place is more. Attacks. Place. Puso palpal. Number 8 dito. Step back for 3. No good. Oh, recovered. Pass sa gitna. Bumangga. Spin. Quarter shot, no good. Rebound dito. 8-second shoot. Bounce pass inside, natapikan. And here we go, team San Jose Del Monte drives na poop na recover. Number 11 here. Inilit. Off the glass. Yes, sir. Big drive. The poop big. Fire off the glass. Yes, sir. Degamo. Thompson sa gitna, number 11. Bounce pass. Kicks out. Pull up J. Yes, sir. And Degamo. Number 11, didiskarte dito. High drive. Nakalusot. Fires. Yes, sir. Number 11. Bounce pass. Spins. Pass. Yes, sir. Digamo. Pinasa. Number 11. Swing. Great. Pull up J. Short. Rebound. Total shot of the glass. No good. Good back shot. The foul and the bucket. Thompson pinasa. Sa tres. No good. Off target. Rebound. Nag-dive para sa bola. For the inbound here. Corner. Ang gandang pasahan doon. Vice. Yes, sir, of the glass. And it's number 13. Oop. Offensive foul. Number 25 pass. Pass to number 5. Sa tres. Bang! 3-4. Attacks. Oop. Drive. Quarter. No good. Rebound. Fake. Thompson. Sa gitna. Pull up J. At the free throw line. Wala. And 10 seconds. Drive. Natapikan. Naagaw. Long pass. Eksakto yung pass alis. And basket. Last 2 minutes on the fourth quarter sa tres. Bang! Still alive. Number 13. Bebera drives. Thompson. Sumigzag. Attacks, please. Thompson nagmamadali. Address. No good. Oh, libreng-libre. Yes, sir. Gandang pasa. And the basket. Yun. Congratulations.